Here's your Top Cat, Alex. Woo! Come get your Top Cat. We're gonna spend the next little while getting to know these boards. We're gonna hit some paths, we're gonna skate some hills, maybe ride a few ditches, and anything else we can find. But we only have 3, so somebody's gotta ride the Ripper. But we'll share. Any questions?
How deep is the drop?
Where are we going next?
We're going to a hairpin path, like this. All the way down. Robot! It's our newest team rider.
He's coming back for you.
Yeah, he wants to go stick his... Yep, it's got a rocker. It's got a drop right here, then a drop right here, and rocker right here, and it has concave. It's got 8 plies.
Yeah, it's nice to push around. It's low to the ground. Also has some flex, so just really forgiving on cracks and stuff. Lots of rocker, angles out the trucks for some snappy carves, so you can just pump your carves and scrape the rails as you're carving. I really enjoy that. Each scratch has a story, you know?
The Top Cat. Well, I hadn't ridden a board like this in quite a while, and I was pleasantly surprised. It was fun to cruise and carve. It was fun on the hills as well. It was really forgiving when you were sliding, so I really liked it.
I like it how it sits low to the ground. It's really stable on mellow hills, and your feet get stuck in these pockets, so you don't have to look down at your board. You already know where your feet are. When you kick it sideways, it kind of wants to sit in a slide, which is really nice. It doesn't want to hook up and snap back. It wants to drift.
It can slide and it can downhill. It's not a specialized downhill board, but it'll do it just fine. However, when you loosen this thing up and you get on a nice big wide smooth sidewalk, it really comes into its own. It's amazing for carving and is a really good board just for commuting and having fun traveling places. It's a very versatile board. Long distance pushing would be great on this. Well, the wheels on this are Plow Kings. They've got awesome roll speed.
They'll go over anything. Just cracks, rocks, sticks. They'll get you over it. That was crazy. That was the line. That was the line of the whole trip. They're obviously carvy because they're soft lip, huge contact patch, but they slide great too. They're not chattery. They're pretty buttery, consistent slide, lots of traction.
They come stone ground, so you can slide them right out of the box. Really smooth slide. The bearings, space balls, as always. These are set up with 155mm trucks. You could run them with 180mm trucks completely fine, but the 155s feel great. They're a little grippier, a little carvier, a little bit more responsive, kind of spices up the board a bit.
You can see on the edges how it like bevels down, and you can see these different plies in here. It's a pretty cool shape. Looks surfboardy.
I mean, it feels awesome on my hand while I'm carrying it. Takes a little bit of weight off the board.
And it also brings the edge out to this point, so it kind of gives you a nice edge feel. The beveled edge gives you a bit more space to lean into your carves. Basically, when you're riding this board, it is going to hit the ground. I don't see anything wrong with that. You're going to get wear and tear.
Battle scars.
Skateboards are designed for wear and tear. You're going to get those scratches and scrapes on the bottom of your board. You just got to learn to love it. You can always remember, oh, I got this scrape when I did that 3-stair drop. And it's kind of like each scrape has its own little story, its own memory.
Yeah, overall, this board, I like it. You can have some snappy, slow carving fun, or you can do some fast freeriding and lock your feet into these drops and do big stand-up slides and rail corners. It's a good combination.
I just really like it. Just a really fun all-around board, cruising, carving, hills, everything, you name it.
Top Cat, truly one of a kind. Everybody needs to experience it. It's a great board.
I really enjoy that.
Robot!